Hi, and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. What is platinum 195 in chemistry? Is it A, noble gas, B, radioactive isotope, or C, metalloid element? It is B, radioactive isotope. Which country is primarily home to the Gobi Desert? Is it A, Brazil, B, Egypt, or C, Mongolia? It is C, Mongolia. What type of products is Louis Vuitton primarily known for? Is it A, jewelry, B, footwear, or C, luxury bags? It is C, luxury bags. What is the main ingredient in traditional French dressing? Is it A, olive oil, B, mayonnaise, or C, balsamic vinegar? It is A, olive oil. What is the primary theme of Post Malone's song Circles? Is it A, friendship, B, celebration, or C, heartbreak? It is C, heartbreak. What is the highest mountain located in the Himalayas? Is it A, K2, B, Mount Everest, or C, Kangchenjunga? It is B, Mount Everest. Which team did Antoine Griezmann join in 2019 after leaving Atletico Madrid? Is it A, Paris Saint-Germain, B, FC Barcelona, or C, Manchester City? It is B, FC Barcelona. What is the name of the river that flows through Dublin, Ireland, known as the Liffey? Is it A, River Boyne, B, River Shannon, or C, River Liffey? It is C, River Liffey. What type of card game is gin rummy classified as? Is it A, auction, B, knockout, or C, trick-taking? It is B, knockout. What type of blood cell destruction is referred to by the term hemolysis? Is it A, white blood cells, B, red blood cells, or C, platelets? It is B, red blood cells. What is the primary raw material used to make paper? Is it A, cotton, B, wood, or C, plastic? It is B, wood. What is the capital of Angola? Is it A, Maputo, B, Lusaka, or C, Luanda? It is C, Luanda. What is the primary use of nickel in industry? Is it A, food flavoring, B, alloy production, or C, textiles manufacturing? It is B, alloy production. Which song features the lyrics, "When I'm away from you, I'm happier than ever" by Billie Eilish? Is it A, Happier Than Ever, B, Bad Guy, or C, Ocean Eyes? It is A, Happier Than Ever. Which notable research area is the University of Zurich known for? Is it A, medicine, B, agriculture, or C, fashion? It is A, medicine. Who was El Greco? Is it A, sculptor, B, poet, or C, painter? It is C, painter. What is the primary geographical feature of the Appalachian Mountains? Is it A, desert, B, river system, or C, mountain range? It is C, mountain range. What is a key feature of a coordination complex in chemistry? Is it A, gas formation, B, organic solvent, or C, central metal atom? It is C, central metal atom. What is the title of Thomas Hobbes's famous work on political philosophy? Is it A, The Social Contract, B, Leviathan, or C, Democracy in America? It is B. Leviathan. Which national team does Alex Morgan play for in international football? Is it A. United States, B. Canada, or C. Brazil? It is A. United States. What movement is known for initiating the Protestant Reformation in the 16th century? Is it A. Martin Luther, B. John Calvin, or C. Henry VIII? It is A. Martin Luther. What type of music is most commonly associated with bagpipes? Is it A. Jazz, B. Classical, or C. Scottish? It is C. Scottish. What is Anadyr known for being the administrative center of? Is it A. Chukotka Autonomous Okrug, B. Arkhangelsk Oblast, or C. Kamchatka Krai? It is A. Chukotka Autonomous Okrug. Which automobile company did Henry Ford found that revolutionized mass production? Is it A. Ford Motor Company, B. General Motors, or C. Chrysler? It is A. Ford Motor Company. What is the atomic number of francium? Is it A. 103, B. 55, or C. 87? It is C. 87. What is a drone? Is it A. Robot dog, B. Flying car, or C. Unmanned aircraft? It is C. Unmanned aircraft. Which director is known for creating the film Avatar? Is it A. Steven Spielberg, B. James Cameron, or C. George Lucas? It is B. James Cameron. What is the primary component of a jellyfish's body? Is it A. Skeleton, B. Shell, or C. Mesoglia? It is C. Mesoglia. What was the Gemini program? Is it A. Space missions, B. Computer software, or C. Medical research? It is A. Space missions. What is the capital city of Kyrgyzstan? Is it A. Almaty, B. Bishkek, or C. Tashkent? It is B. Bishkek. What is the primary function of a barcode scanner? Is it A. Printing labels, B. Reading barcodes, or C. Transmitting data? It is B. Reading barcodes. What is Lady Macbeth's main ambition in Shakespeare's play Macbeth? Is it A. to defeat rivals, B. to become queen, or C. to rule Scotland? It is B. to become queen. What is the study of vector spaces called? Is it A. linear algebra, B. calculus, or C. statistics? It is A. linear algebra. What type of cloud is a stratus cloud classified as? Is it A. cumulus cloud, B. layered cloud, or C. cirrus cloud? It is B. layered cloud. What genre is When Harry Met Sally classified as? Is it A. romantic comedy, B. action, or C. thriller? It is A. romantic comedy. What is the name of the YouTube channel created by Rhett and Link, known for its comedic talk show format? Is it A. Good Mythical Morning, B. Epic Mealtime, or C. Dude Perfect? It is A. Good Mythical Morning. Which country is Great Bear Lake located in? Is it A. Canada, B. United States, or C. Norway? It is A. Canada. What is the capital city of Guyana? Is it A. Caracas, B. Paramaribo, or C. Georgetown? It is C. Georgetown. What is iolite primarily known for in the field of gemstones? Is it A, its hardness, B, its pleochroism, or C, its fluorescence? It is B, its pleochroism. Which hit song is Travis Scott known for that features the phrase sicko mode? Is it A, Goosebumps, B, Sicko Mode, or C, Butterfly Effect? It is B, Sicko Mode. What is the main theme of Katy Perry's song Firework? Is it A, Love Story, B, Self-Empowerment, or C, Friendship? It is B, Self-Empowerment. What is Guadalajara known as the birthplace of in Mexico? Is it A, Mole, B, Tacos, or C, Tequila? It is C, Tequila. What was the first human spaceflight program of the Soviet Union known as Vostok primarily designed for? Is it A, manned space missions, B, satellite launch, or C, lunar exploration? It is A, manned space missions. What is Heimdall known for in Norse mythology? Is it A, god of thunder, B, guardian of the Bifrost, or C, goddess of love? It is B, guardian of the Bifrost. What type of musical instrument is a zither? Is it A, wind instrument, B, string instrument, or C, percussion instrument? It is B, string instrument. What cricket series is played between England and Australia? Is it A, Big Bash, B, IPL, or C, the Ashes? It is C, the Ashes. What type of musical instrument is a djembe? Is it A, flute, B, drum, or C, guitar? It is B, drum. What is the primary use of lead in construction and manufacturing? Is it A, paint, B, batteries, or C, pipes? It is B, batteries. What type of sauce is hollandaise classified as? Is it A, puree, B, reduction, or C, emulsion? It is C, emulsion. What is the primary purpose of the Angara rocket family? Is it A, launching satellites, B, space tourism, or C, manned missions? It is A, launching satellites. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.